Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Trades. Today we'll discuss about the ports related to time synchronization, local networks, network routing, and directory services. So let's get started. Move on to some ports related to time synchronization and local networks. NTP Network Time Protocol, and the port number is 123, and it is used to synchronize the clocks of computers and devices across a network. NTP, and the port number is 123, and as I said, this is used to synchronize the clocks of computers and devices across a network. Let's move on to the next port, which is NNTP Network News Transport Protocol, and the port number is 119, and this is used for reading and posting messages to Usenet news groups, and the port number is 119. NNTP, and the port number is 119. Let's move on to NetBIOS, and the port numbers are 135 to 139. NetBIOS, the port numbers are 135 to 139, and these ports are used for local network communication, especially on Windows system, and the port numbers are 135 to 139 for NetBIOS. And let's move on to the next one, which is SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, and this protocol is used for managing and monitoring network devices such as routers and switches, and the port numbers are 161 and 162. I repeat it again, 160, 161 and 162 are used for SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol. Let's move on to the next one, which is BGP, Broader Gateway Protocol, and the purpose of this is exchanges routing information between internet service providers, helping data find its way around the web, and the port number is 179. BGP, Broader Gateway Protocol, and the port number is 179. Let's move on to the next protocol, which is LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, and the port number is 389, is used for accessing and managing directory services like user and computer information. I repeat it again, LDAP, the port number is 389, and is used for accessing and managing directory services like user and computer information. And there is a secured version of LDAP, which is LDAP over TLS by SSL. LDAP-S is secure version of LDAP providing encrypted access to directory services. So LDAP over TLS SSL on port 636. The port number for secure LDAP is 636. And let's move on to the next port, which is IKEY and ISA KMP. The port number is 500, and these ports are used for establishing secure VPN connections. ISA KMP and IKE are used for establishing secure VPN connections, and the port number is 500. This sums up the ports related to time synchronization, local networks, network routing, VPNs, directory services. Thank you so much. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. I'll see you in the next video.